Convert the following. For A, we have 400 centimeters to foot. B, 130 inches to centimeters. We take solution. Question E, we have 400 centimeters. For us to perform this convention, we are going to make use of the fact that 1 foot is equal to 30.48 centimeters. We can express this as 30.48 centimeters is equal to 1 foot. Next, we have to find 1 centimeters in terms of foot. We are going to divide both sides by 30.48. This will give us 30.48 centimeters. We divide by 30.48. It will be equal to 1 foot divided by 30.48. This will simply give us 1 centimeter to be equal to 1 all over 30.48. All this is in foot. Now, for us to convert 400 centimeters to foot, we are going to multiply both sides of this equation by 400. This will give us 400 times 1 centimeter to be equal to 400, which we can express as 400 over 1 times 1 all over 30.48 foot. This will give us 400 centimeters to be approximately 400 divided by 30.48 to 2 decimal places. This will be 13.12, and this is in foot. Therefore, 400 centimeters is approximately 13.12 foot. We underline the result. Move now to question B. For question B, we have to express 130 inches to centimeters. We are going to make use of the fact that 1 inch is approximately 2.54 centimeters. Multiplying both sides of this equation by 130, 130 times 1 inch will simply be equal to 130 times 2.54 centimeters. 130 times 1 inch gives us 130 inch to be equal to 130 times 2.54 centimeters. This will give us 330.2 centimeters. Therefore, 130 inch is simply equal to 330.2 centimeters. We underline the answer. We are done with the solution of the following questions. If in case you have any doubts, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.